Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be doing a broccoli casserole. We have two 12-ounce bags of broccoli florets, mild cheese, a sleeve of Ritz crackers, parquet spray, Hellmann's mayonnaise, cream of mushroom, and 2 eggs. Okay family, this will be a Thanksgiving dish, broccoli casserole, and prepare your broccoli however you want to prepare it, steam it or boil it. And to the broccoli casserole, we have 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of cream of mushroom soup, 2 eggs lightly beaten, and we're going to use 2 cups of mild cheddar cheese. And we're going to salt and pepper to taste. And when you mix it, guys, make sure you mix it well. We're going to put it in a greased pan. And we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes, or until it's set or the top comes out golden brown and delicious looking. Okay, we have a greased pan. We're going to spread it out evenly. Then we got a whole sleeve of Ritz crackers that we crumbled up. We're going to top it with that. And we're going to take some parquet spray.
Ooh, baby, it's like the world is on our side. Nothing can bring me down tonight. And ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch sends chill.
Okay, crew, here's the finished results of the broccoli casserole. It came out great. Okay, crew, I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. That's what it looked like. If you see this video and you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comment the videos, and hit the post notification bell and set it to all. And we'll see y'all in the next video. We out. Peace.